Welcome to the channel! Welcome to the channel. You guys are probably wondering what this is. More on that later, but I'm happy you guys are back. I'm happy to be doing another shop update. We've done 3 episodes on the shop before. I'll have links down in the description if you want to catch up. But basically, it's a 40 by 60 by 16 post frame building, also known as a pole barn. We got all the metal up, we got the roof on it and everything. The next step is the slab. So that's what this episode's about. And that's what this stuff is for. Before we can put any of this stuff down, we need to insulate the entire floor. I wanted to get my 2-post vehicle lift positioned, and instead of drilling into the concrete, I wanted to kind of build some studs sticking out of the floor that were embedded into the concrete. I built some boxes out of insulation and kind of a rebar cage holding the studs exactly where I needed them, and then I poured concrete inside of them to kind of hold the studs exactly where they ought to go. So now when the concrete company comes in, they'll be able to just pour the concrete right over top of that. At this point, the installation is about 80% of the way, and the reason we haven't completely brought the installation all the way to the edge of the shop is because I was waiting for overhead doors. Alright everyone, look what finally showed up. Got my overhead doors. Only ordered these about 7 or 8 months ago. So this door's 10 feet wide by 14 feet tall. This one's 14 feet wide by 12 feet tall. This is a pretty good point in the video to ask you to please subscribe. This next part of the video, we're going to lay down the vapor barrier. We're doing radiant in-floor heat. So yeah, this is what's going to provide heat to the shop actually. Ecosolaris. They're a Quebec-based company, and they'll help you design your in-floor heat. If you're intimidated by the in-floor heat, just reach out to these guys. They'll help you out absolutely. So 1/2-inch PEX, 300 feet long. Obviously there's 8 here, so there will be 8 zones in my shop. So they also sold me this stuff. They look like this. They're just plastic. They press into the insulation, and these little teeth hold it down. And that's what's going to hold all my tubing in place. Quite honestly, this was the best price PEX I could find. And I've read nothing but great reviews. So Ecosolaris, check them out. Reach out to them. They will help you out, I promise you. I think we're actually at the point in the video where we're going to start laying down this stuff. Let's head out there. The concrete guys are going to be here in a few days, so I just want to show you guys the shop.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
In the grass.
In the garage? Kids inform me Daddy's in the garage again. Let's go find him. What are you doing in here?
Like this video and make sure you subscribe. Cheers!